This is India's treasure.
Hi dear friend, today we have another important topic, the Great Nicobar Island Project, GNIP. Why news? Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs sought a factual report from the Andaman and Nicobar Island Administration. Complaint. Forest right under the Forest Right Act 2006 not settled before diverting forest land to the Great Nicobar Island Project. Key point of the contestations. Tribal Council. Established under the Andaman Nicobar Island Tribal Council regulation in 2019. Limited advisory executive powers unlike the six scheduled autonomous councils. Administrative stance. The claim FRA not applicable, tribal only protected under the Protection of Aboriginal Act 1956. Protection of Aboriginal Act 1956 gives the local administration unilateral authority to divert forest land. Forest Right Act in 2006 mandate Gram Sabha consent before the diversion. Conflict between the FRA participatory rights and versus the Protection of Aboriginal Tribal Act unilaterally. Nicobar project conceived by the Niti Aayog, approved by the Union Cabinet in 2021. Nodal agency Andaman and Nicobar Island Integrated Development Corporations incorporated in 1988 under the Company Act in 1956. Project component International Trans-Shipment Port, the Galathia Bay, Greenfield International Airport, 450 megawatt power plant, and modern townships. Examples: the tribes from the Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar is a home of the six indigenous tribes, divided to distinct groups. Origin is the Negrito, the Andamese Island, and the Mongoloid, Nicobar Island. These include the Great Andamanese, Ongos, Jaura, Santhalese, Nicobarese, and the Sampans. Except from the Nicobaris, all are the classified as a particularly vulnerable tribe group, except the Nicobaris. Lifestyle of the tribals. Many of the Andamese tribals are hunter and gatherers, while the Nicobaris are more settled, engaged in the agriculture and fishing. Population. Tribes have low population number, with some like the Great Andamese having only few dozens individual left. Protection. Indian government maintain no contact policy for the Santhalese and restricted area to the Jauras area protected for the disease and exploitations. Andaman Nicobar also a notable endemic for the Funage flora. Some notable Funage birds. Nicobar megapods, a unique ground nesting birds, are built large mound for its egg. Then the Narcotam hornbills, restricted entirely in the tiny Nicodem Island. Then the Andaman wood pigeons, the official birds of the Union Territory. Other birds are the Andaman teals, Andaman woodpeckers, Andaman parakeets. Then the some notable mammals: dugong, sea cow, Nicobarese tree crow, Andaman wild pigs, long-tailed Nicobar mosaic.